In today's video, you will see 2 juice recipes that work as natural medicines. We have lots of juice recipes here on the channel. Green juice, orange, apple, papaya, pineapple, and even collard green or spinach. Have you tried any of them yet? These are just some variants of juices that we are used to making and drinking, right? Since they are natural, depending on their ingredients, these juices can work as powerful homemade medicines. Did you know that? See now 2 natural juices that also work as homemade medicines. Juice for sore throats. Vitamin C is essential for raising your immunity, and pineapple and oranges can help you on that mission. Pineapple skin is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Besides, it contains beta-carotene, a substance that lowers the risk of asthma attacks and sore throats. Orange is also rich in vitamin C, increasing your immunity. Write down the ingredients. 3 tablespoons pineapple skin, diced. 2 oranges. 6.75 ounces filtered water. Honey to taste. Add the pineapple skin, orange juice, and water to a blender. Blend until smooth, then strain and add honey. Drink right after. Detoxifying juice. Besides working as a diuretic, this juice also has a detox function, helping eliminate toxins from the body, improving the intestine, activating the immune system, and increasing the body's hydration. Isn't it amazing? With more than 90% water, watermelon helps hydrate and cleanse the body, making the kidneys work better. It also contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber that increase satiety, making us eat less. Ginger is the perfect ingredient for anyone who wants to reduce water tension and lose weight. Since it is a natural thermogenic, ginger boosts the metabolism, increasing calorie burn and favoring fat burn. Now write down the ingredients for this recipe. 3 watermelon slices, no seeds. 1 ginger slice, around 0.8 inches. 8.45 ounces water. In a blender, add the sliced watermelon, ginger, and water. Blend. Drink right away with some ice cubes and no sweetener. You can drink this juice half an hour before your breakfast or in the afternoon before a long day's work. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.